Okay, here's a running clip of my new Yoshimura stainless steel exhaust and 32mm throttle body and the new 10-hole injector from SamuraiScoot.com. Yep, that's right, 32mm throttle body.